Day 56 mission of March, intentional inner child healing, spiritual bypassing. Take a seat. Spiritual bypassing is where you repress, suppress, or avoid your emotions in favor of spiritual practices. Hang on. You are a spiritual being in a physical body. You were given emotions for spirit to guide you. Your emotions are your guidance system, without which you cannot detect or understand what you need in the world. Your emotions help you understand your needs. And when you understand your needs, that's also the same way you can tune into spirit. Here goes. There are ways that we have applied or we have learned in our lives to avoid our emotions so that we feel good on the outside, but we feel terrible inside. We look good on the outside without a matching feeling on the inside. Prayer bypass. When you pray, that's great, but ensure you tune into your emotions in order for you to identify your developmental needs and change your behavior. Otherwise, usually this is where you see people who pray, spiritual people who have behaviors that are unbelievable. Horoscope and psychic bypass. You can use the psychics or the horoscope, that's up to you, but make sure you are not basing your answers on horoscope and psychics, because you need to do the work to tune in to your own guidance system. You have a guidance system within you. You have spirit within you. Tune in to that power that you are given. It's not all for nothing. Intellectual bypass. It's amazing that you went to university or you went to school or you have read a book and you have some answers to some situations. But tune into your emotions also and get some answers from within rather than get everything from the book or trying to be logical about some situations sometimes when you could tune in and get a different perspective. And it's good also to listen to different perspectives no matter how educated you are. And optimism bypass. It's amazing to be positive, but balance that with tuning into your emotions, objectively evaluating your triggers, and then reframing and applying positivity, appreciation, noticing kindness. Otherwise, if you ignore your emotions, they will bubble up somewhere else at some point and you will erupt. That is the issue. Disconnection bypass. The tendency to avoid relationships because you feel triggered in your relationships. Yes, people trigger us. That's life. At the end of the day, we are social beings. We need to live alongside those people who trigger us and learn to manage regardless of their existence. And spirituality can also be used by some people who have got this compensatory identity or a guru bypass to start to coach other people to be spiritual leaders. Some people will try to teach others, but they haven't done inner work. You just got out of a situation and you are using other people to cope. And we are not saying you need not help other people, because we need to help each other, but help other people while you are doing the work. Otherwise, your life will struggle and you will not be fulfilled, no matter how much popularity and money you get from your coaching, your therapy, whatever you do to help other people. And blame bypass, where you don't take responsibility. It's all about other people. Any story you hear, anything someone says, you focus on other people. You always noticing what other people did, do, and what they would do. What about you? Answer life questions about you. Address situations about you. And refrain from overly focusing on other people. That's the only way you can improve your own life, because the only life you can change and improve is your own. Manage spiritual bypassing. Be aware of your bypassing tendencies, and also understand why you are bypassing. You are spiritually bypassing, because most of the time we want to look good to the outside world without feeling good inside. So forget about what other people think or want. Focus on how you are feeling and learn to tune into your emotions. And that's when you strengthen your guidance system. That's when your authenticity actually comes out, when you tune into your emotions, because your emotions are your guidance system. Once again, your emotions are your guidance system. Understand that. And then you need to tune into your emotions, develop tools to manage your emotions, and listen to how you're feeling, what you're feeling, why you're feeling it, and reparent yourself, create solutions in your life, and your life will get better as you also help other people, as you also pray, as you do also your horoscope, and as you also learn from your books and you use your own logic. But you will develop authentically, because you are tuning in to the essence of you. You are tuning in to the power within you, because you were given that power through your emotions to tune in and find out how you feel, to tune in. And as you tune in to your emotions, you also hone your intuition, which is quite powerful for you, which is how spirit talks to you, your sixth sense, as they say. So don't ignore your emotions. And your inner work is based on your emotions. I'm tuning in and learning to manage your emotions. Your behavior is based on your emotions. Your life, the quality of your life is based on how you manage your emotions. So there goes. See you tomorrow.